Back of the forecast with Jeff.
You know, hour by hour forecast for your day today, like yesterday, we're going to be in the 80s, except today we'll have a lot more cloud cover, a lot more wind, and a lot more humidity as well. So it's more like an early summer afternoon. Despite the lack of sunshine, we're getting to the mid 80s. And you can see we are still talking about some really big rains showing up by the time we get in towards the end of the week. So we're going to end April with some really good rains across North Texas. Now, I am expecting most of this rain to fall Wednesday and Thursday. And yes, it does include a slight risk of severe weather. That's actually going to start on Tuesday afternoon as we get into the dry line scenario. But take a look at these temperatures, 60s, very warm start, and of course because of that, this very warm day. Now, you can see the cloud cover firmly entrenched over our area, but I draw your attention out past California, out to Pacific. By the way, LA waking up after the Oscars with some rain. It won't really help with the drought, but it's nice to at least get some rain there. They've been in a drought for about 10 years in Southern California. This low, it's going to swing into the desert Southwest and literally sit here for a couple of days, and doing so brings rain chances here for several days. It starts tomorrow afternoon, goes on all the way into early Friday, but tomorrow we'll be watching the dry line well out to our west. We think it fires up some severe weather. Some of that will try to roll into our western counties. In fact, that's what the Storm Prediction Center is thinking, because they're in yellow, including just our western counties and in Tarrant County, large hail damaging winds, maybe even a few tornadoes with these dry line thunderstorms that form and make a run for us into the evening. The severe weather threat doesn't look so high on Wednesday, but the rain coverage looks higher on Wednesday and Thursday because we're going to actually see the low come over us. So this is Thursday in the middle of the night, which happens to be the best chance of rain in the week ahead that night. And as we get into Thursday, the low rolls across. We could have some strong thunderstorms here, but what looks like we're going to have some really big rain. So we're going to end this month with a lot of rain. And tomorrow afternoon, we start with the storm chances. They get higher on Wednesday and Thursday. Another front, by the way, and with all the rain, we're going to end the month with, again, below normal temperatures. It's going to end up with a wet month with below normal temperatures for the month, I think, because this coming week,